what's up, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the very first variation of Boxyluxe June 2019 box. Yes, I was so excited to see this. I couldn't wait to get it out here. Well, first, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that'll cost you $21 a month. You'll receive 4 to 5 full-size products based on your beauty quiz. These products will be valued at least $100. Once you start getting Boxycharm, you can then subscribe to Boxyluxe. This is the cream of the crop beauty box here. This box will cost you $49.99 every quarter. It'll be the last month of the quarter, and you'll receive 8 to 10 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. These products will be valued at least $250. We've been told that our box for June is worth at least $340. Now this one they're saying is over $300. We have 9 products, so let's start with product number 1. Sneak peek number 1 is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Cleanbiotic. It sells for $35. This is a multitasking pH balanced yogurt cleanser that instantly melts away dirt, pollution, makeup, and excess oil without stripping the skin, while helping to retain moisture and soothe redness and irritation due to dryness. And this is for all skin types. Sneak peek number 2. In this variation, we get from Tarte Cosmetics the Tarte's Pro Glow palette. This sells for $46. Sneak peek number 3 is from Pharmacy Beauty. It's the Honeymoon Glow Serum for $58. This is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. It's formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA / gentle flower acids blend. It's got hyaluronic acid to deliver intense hydration. Sneak peek number 4 is from PYT Hair. It's the mini on-the-go dryer. It sells for $65. You can get it in either pink, purple, blue, or coral. It's a powerful yet portable blow dryer. It comes with 2 attachments, a diffuser, and an airflow guide. Sneak peek number 5 is from Living Proof. In this variation, we get the full dry volume blast. Now remember, we also have a different variation, the full texturizing cream. But in this variation, the full dry volume blast, it sells for $29. It's powered by their volumizing and texturizing molecule, which adds volume to your hair by increasing the space between hair fibers. The result, your hair will have instant, weightless volume and texture that lasts. It's ideal for fine, flat hair and anyone seeking volume and texture. It is a silicone-free, color-safe, and safe for chemically treated hair. Sneak peek number 6 is from Touch and Soul. It's the No Problem Priming Water, which is an instant toning water and essential oil. They also refer to this as a prime essence. It sells for $23. This is the No Problem Priming Water by Touch and Soul. It's a biphase multi-oil with Bulgarian damask, rose oil, and rose water. It helps dry skin immediately, moisturize and vitalize, making the skin perfectly ready for makeup. Sneak peek number 7. Number 7 is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Lemonade Lip Gloss. It sells for $17. These all have a high shine finish, and there are 4 shades. These are a lightweight, non-sticky formula They give your lips that freshly bitten lip-like color. You can build this lip gloss from sheer to medium coverage. You can wear it alone or over another lipstick. The 4 shades she has are Sweet Tea. This is a warm beige. The second is Pink Lemonade. It's a cool light pink. Shade number 3 is called Peach Tea. It's a pinky peach. And shade number 4 is Strawberry Lemonade, and this is a bright pink. Moving on to sneak peek number 8. And this one is from M. Greengrass Fragrances. It's the Hand and Body Butter. This is a company that was made after their grandmother, who was an immigrant. It looks like it started off with candles and now they're venturing into the body products. It looks like this product may be used at some high-end salons and spas. And I couldn't really find the hand and body butter cost on their site. Sneak peek number 9. Lastly, we have a mascara by Trestique. It's a new mascara. It's called the Good Vibes Mascara. Yes, it's a different mascara. They say that they believed people deserve products that can multitask. That's why they created the first ever lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara in one. This all-in-one mascara enhances lashes for a curving, lengthening, and volumizing effect. First, the unique half curler lifts every lash for an all-day lasting curl. Then the mascara defines and separates lashes, leaving them looking longer, more volumized, and visibly curled with zero flaking or smudging. Use the mascara and curler together to curve lashes up to 186%. And it comes in the shade Icelandic Black Lacquer. And it costs $25. Well, we got something new to try here. It's a mascara, but it's something new, so I'm anxious to try this. So, this is one variation of the box. What do y'all think about it? Do y'all like the box? Do y'all like Boxyluxe? If you're interested, you need to subscribe now. Upgrade to Boxyluxe if you haven't already. Looking at all the products, I don't know. I wish we had an eyeshadow palette. That's the only thing this was missing. I realize we have 9 products here, but we have in place of that, we have like a hair product, which we haven't had already. So overall, we have a cleanser, a face product or cheek palette, a serum with the pharmacy. We have a blow dryer. It's just different. A lot of people want makeup. A lot of people still look at Boxycharm as a makeup box. It's more of a beauty box than a makeup type box this June. I'm still on the fence with it. I think we're getting good quality products. The Living Proof is a great brand. Dr. Brandt's a great brand. Tarte Pharmacy. The mini blow dryer. How many of us needed a mini blow dryer? I know every time we go on vacation, they have a blow dryer already, or I bring my huge blow dryer. So that might be an option if we travel. You're getting a primer with the Touch and Soul. And then a nice hand and body butter and a lip product and a new type of mascara. I think the box is pretty good overall. I think it's just throwing me off because we're not getting an eyeshadow palette, but you look at you're getting a $35 cleanser, you're getting a $58 hydration serum. The Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow Serum is for a dry skin. That's a $58 product. You're getting over $300 worth of value here. So I really can't complain about it. I don't know why we all tend to look at a box and base it on an eyeshadow palette. I know I have so many eyeshadow palettes, it's crazy. I do need other things. So in the comments, put what you think about this box. I don't know why it's just throwing me off a little bit because it doesn't have the eyeshadow palette, but I think overall it's a good box. And you do have either a face palette or a blush palette, and some of us choose to get eyeshadow palettes. I never got my email. I checked my spam folder all day. I have 2 accounts. Did anybody else not get the email? I thought everyone was going to receive this email. I did not get it, and I checked all day long in my spam folder and also in my regular folder. And I get all my Boxycharm, Boxyluxe emails, and I still checked. I did write them to tell them this, and they said that it went in my spam folder. I wrote back and said no, it didn't, but it didn't matter that much to me if I got that palette because I didn't like it when I first got it in the other box. I don't think it's that much of a different palette that I had to have it, but I was going to pick one of my Boxyluxes as having that and one having a face palette, but it's all good. I just know I did not get that email, and I'm anxious to hear if somebody else didn't get their email either. So remember, we have the giveaway going on. Let me put a few more products up here to show you what's going to be in our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm still buying and waiting for things to come in. As soon as all the products are in, I'm going to have a dedicated video just for that. And thank y'all all for watching. I really appreciate it. Please remember to share and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Please give me a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it if you like my spoiler. And please have a great weekend. Do something really fun. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Okay, beauties, for the giveaway clue. At the end of your comment to celebrate making it to 10,000. Woohoo! Put your favorite beverage to celebrate with, as well as some type of food product. That'll be 2 emojis at the end of your comment. If you don't have emojis, you can always write the word. So let's celebrate with some champagne and lobster, or maybe some champagne and cake, or a cup of coffee and some cake. Anything you want to put. I'm just so excited. And I just want to celebrate with all you guys. We'll have a live soon and celebrate making it to 10,000 in a few weeks. So, thank you guys. Bye.